Ta-da! A new unboxing soon. Ta-da! Baby, where are you? Where are we?
Coast Plaza. Now you remember.
So they just opened today, and then not a lot of people anyways. Look. So yeah, it's not as busy. So welcome to the South Coast Plaza. We're just going to pick up the repaired bag that we had. So, and then we're going to meet Myra. So that's what we're here for anyways. So we don't need to fall in line, so which is really good. And my baby is busy. So here's the Louis Vuitton. This is the main Louis Vuitton. And then there's a long line to get in. Wow. We're here. So for you to be able to get in line there, you need to check in here to go inside the Louis Vuitton line. And we're gonna go to the atelier to see Myra. And hopefully she's there. So look at this one. Louis Vuitton. Please protect our community. Wear a mask. Ask your client advisor for assistance and practice social distancing. My wonderful Myra, my client advisor, was not there. So another client advisor helped us at the atelier. And then this is the picture of it. And then we got the package. Yay! And look at this line. This is from the Gucci store. It wraps around. It's really clean. There's some people who cleans it every time, every minute, so that's good. And then there's less foot traffic, so which is really good. And then of course they encourage you to wear mask. And then they have sanitizing booth or sanitizing area, and some stores are closed, but the major ones, they're open. So yeah, and then they're really ready for you guys to come and visit already, and the baby is just having fun. How are you?
Good. We try to enjoy with the AC and the classic music.
Yeah, so the music is relaxing at the same time. And then yeah, so today we just pick up this bad boy. So now we're gonna go to Bloomingdale's and let's see if they have a long line as the Louis Vuitton standalone store that we saw. And then let's see how is it gonna be in there. Bloomingdale's Louis Vuitton. And then there's a line, as you can see. And then here's the boot that I was telling you. So safety is always in style, sanitize, social distancing, and hello. There's the Louis Vuitton. There's a type of a line. No, we can make it because they don't have a lot. Yeah?
I know exactly what I'm going to
We're already here. Are you in line? Are you in line? Then this one is so cheap. They're busy. We went. They only open until 7 today. But they are open tomorrow. So right now she was telling us that because there's 27 people already in line, that she cannot put us on the list. So we better just come back tomorrow for that. Because what happens now is that you're going to register and then you're going to fall in line. And then for that, it will take 1 to 2 hours. And then you have seen the the main store, they have a long line. And then, so yeah, so if you're wanting to go to the Louis Vuitton South Coast Plaza, just put that one in mind that there's a line to get registered, and then there's a line to get in to the line to go inside. Just a friendly reminder, always remember, do wash your hands all the time. Use a sanitizer or wash your hands at the restroom.
Unboxing time. So I just want to share with you the new bag we went to take to Louis Vuitton South Coast Plaza, because we sent it to repair 5 months ago, and we waited really a long time because of this situation with the COVID. So here we go. So we paid $120 for change the strap and the shapes. I just want to tell you they were super nice at the South Coast Plaza for giving us the new bag and a new box, because it's an older bag, it's second hand, so we ta-da! So here we go, the new strap, and you have the vachetta on the border. So as you can see, the difference of the new one and the older color of vachetta, like a honey and the regular. Of course, made in France. And so we are just a little sad because we saw just right now they didn't change the strap. As you can see, we have a white spot here and here. Just they changed the vachetta, and as you can see, the metal stay older and ruined a little damage.
Oh, the same thing on this side. And then.
So in conclusion, that's a little disappointed because we waited 5 months just for change it, just the vachetta, and that's it. And $120 just for that, it's expensive. Thank you guys for watching this video. Like always, don't forget to subscribe at our channel, to comment on below.
Yes.
And that's it, no?
Yeah. So thank you very much. Have a wonderful day. Do what makes you happy.
Thank you.
Bye.